everyone. We're here in beautiful Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and I'm so excited to be bringing you the outside video of our project W204 Mercedes. Now, over the past 3 years, we have went from this, and with a lot of parts, sweat, and creativity, went on to create our track-inspired vehicle. Now, although some of these parts are vehicle specific, there are many that are also made for any type of vehicle you may have. We just want to show you what we have done so far in hopes it may inspire or just help you with your current project. Now, we have a lot planned for this vehicle, so subscribe and stay tuned. But for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Well, that was our quick outside video, and we hope you all enjoyed it. Now we will be bringing you a more in-depth walk-around video pointing out everything we've done so far in the project. Additionally, an interior video, as well as all the videos of the project in the making, will be uploaded soon, so be sure to be on the lookout for those. So like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me your favorite color, and with 500 subs, 5 people will be given a very special thank you from us here at 365 Motoring. So tell your friends and help spread the love and joy of our lifestyle. Until next time, mod, drive, and spread the smiles.